This is a gaming chair with the massager built in. It's got some weight to it, comes in a number of colors. And if you want further details, check online for the descriptions and all. Let's open this up, show you how to install it, and what's it all about. As we unpack, we still got to take it out of the wrappings and some stuff in the box, which will be your caster and bottom base. When taking everything apart, check one of the bags. They will have the instructions in there for you in the base of the seat. Simply go over the instructions. All the parts are one page. And the very first one we're going to be doing is assembling this piece right here, the very bottom with the casters and all. And it looks like you're going to just grab this. Snap them in together like so. I'll give a nice close-up look so you can get the idea of what's happening. You're going to just simply place on the best you can. And it locks right in. I'll show you that one more time. You're just simply going to place on, a little down, and lock into place. You're going to place on the floor, and you're going to push down. If you don't want to push down, just put a little pressure with your foot. Everything looks solid, 100% on. Now we're going to put all the casters on, do our best to snap it in. We'll give you a nice close-up look how to put the caster on. Place in, give it a little twist, you feel for the way it snaps in, and repeat for the rest. We have a cover here, and we have the piston, and what we're going to do is do our best to match this up correctly. And we're going to lay this on over here. Basically, everything snaps together. 1, 2, 3. Now we have a bolt and washer kit. And we're going to be looking in the instructions for number A, F, G, K, and H. So this is what we're going to be putting together. The base of the seat as well. We don't need the caster at the moment. This is G, a right angle Allen key. This is A, the 4 bolts, and this is F, 4 washers. You're simply going to take a washer and a bolt. You're going to see the arrow, that's the front, this is the back, and you're going to line it up to the holes, which are the nuts inside the seat. And you're going to place on, give a little twist, rotation clockwise so it can lock into place. And you're going to repeat this for the other 3. You're going to take the Allen key if you want to take it elongated. You put it on and lock down. It may hit the metal, so what you're going to do is switch over until you can get it down as far as you can go. Then tighten down the best you can. You want to make yourself comfortable. And things get done real quickly. These are known as G. You're going to take F's 2 washers on each side. And you're going to take B 2 on each side. You have E in the background, which is this, which is the cushion for the foot. And F, which is the foot rail. Don't forget to use the tool, which I believe was G. And you're going to place on a washer. And you're going to lock this down, each of the bolts on the pieces. When you're sure everything is 100% tight, repeat the same for the other side. If I didn't mention E, you have 1 on each side. You're going to need 2 more F's, 2 more B, and you're going to need the footrest, and you're going to need the foot rail. You're going to carefully slide in the foot rail. You're going to have the holes closest to you and further away to the outside of the foot rail. You're going to place the bolt in the best you can and start to lock down. You're going to take number E's and you're going to put the washer, the O-ring, around the back of number F. Don't worry if that thing went over like that. That's normal. You don't need number F's washers. You don't need the right angle. Put this to the side. Take the back seat, lift up the Velcro cover. Take the long plate. You want to make sure this part here goes inward towards the front of the chair. While reading the instructions, the back plate has an incline, and make sure it goes on correctly. And you're going to take the last remaining B bolts and you're going to place them on the best you can and lock all down. When all bolts are nice and tight to your liking, then you take the cover, fold back, lock down into place. I'm going to slide this on. I'm going to make this easier for me to work with. I'm going to slide the piece on. And I'm going to take 3 C bolts, start to lock them in. You have an option to put a socket on or use the right angle key. Secure them down nice and solid. So far it's looking like a chair. And next step is to put on the lumbar stuff and the arms. And we're almost ready to sit in it. So we don't lose the neck part. It snaps in like so, according to the instructions. This may be a little tricky. You're going to take the pieces, slide them through here, one. You're going to take the other, tuck it underneath the seat. It comes out through the bottom, and then you're going to take the straps, lock them in. Take the other one, slide it through. And the other strap, which came through already, and lock them in. And you're going to correctly adjust this to the height you need. Just pay close attention how this goes towards the bottom, your lower back. This headrest has a zipper in the back, so if you ever need to take anything out, it wraps around the back piece like so. D, you have 4 bolts, 2 on each. Please pay attention to the armrests as they will go one particular way. As you start to learn how they go, you take the bolt, slide it in, match the Allen key, and you're going to lock down. You're going to take the other bolt and you're going to do the same thing. You're going to place on the Allen key and you're going to adjust it so it fits into the upper level of the chair. Now lock both down securely. Please be a little careful when using the Allen key not to swing it around entirely to lock things down. Take it out and move it back and forth like so. We have some end caps. You're going to put the end cap on. If you ever need to take them off again, they're easy to take off with the tool. The last thing to do is hook up the cable by simply plugging in a DIN to the USB-A if you have a power supply, or AC to plug this in, 5 volts. You have the on and off switch for the lumbar massager. You notice that the footrest is folded inside, and how to do that: pull it out, lift it up, there you go, and adjust it to your liking. Now the seat is a nice wide seat, tall. adjustable lumbar, headrest, and neck. The arms don't lift up or go down, but on the side, back over here, you have a couple of handles that would do a number of things. So let's push this in, sit down on it, nice and comfortable, and it's kind of soft to going back, and I want to make sure I find the area that I can adjust it nice and tight. And here we are, locking it into place. And there I am, very comfortable indeed. It's soft, cushiony and all. When I want to free it up, I hit the button. It goes back nice and slow. And if I want to lift up, I lift up to a nice height. There I am. Now I am going to lift up the bottom, take it out as far as it can go, lift the seat footrest. Oh man, play your games all day long. So like we said, it took no time to build it. You have a massager pad that you plug into your power source, and you have the headrest. If you don't want to use the headrest and you want to get the neck rest, just grab it to the side and just unsnap this part right here. You have a neck support that wraps around. Oh, and you're just all set. You could close it on up and you're comfortable indeed. So there's a lot you can do with this chair if you're playing games by a computer or just want to sit there and relax and take some time out. This is your massaging button, on and off. It's just a constant massage. I hope you enjoyed your chair build. I hope this is something that you are looking for in a chair. Enjoy your product if this is right for you.